Okay, so today we're going to install this phone mount on this E90 BMW. Install is pretty straightforward. It should just take a couple minutes. And all we need for tools is a Phillips head screwdriver. As you can see, we've already installed the ball socket to the magnet. And then we've installed that assembly to the vehicle specific bracket. Okay, so the first step, we're gonna just take this upper duct piece off. All we have to do is grab it from the top and just pull all the way along. And it comes up somewhat easily. Next piece to pull off is just this radio. Again, we just pull it. And then the final piece is this shroud here, and this is the one that we really want to get to. So just like the other two, we'll just grab it, pop it off. Okay. We can set these back in here for now. All right. So we've already uninstalled the two screws that would normally be in here. It's just these two Phillips head screws here. So once those are removed, you just take this mount, put it in place, and you can just slide it down behind this module. Kind of like that. Alternatively, you could also remove these two screws here. But you should be able to do it without having to remove those. Now we're just going to reinstall these Phillips heads here. Now that the mount's in place, and we're going to push the mount right up against the side of the console as we tighten it down. Okay. Now we're going to reinstall. It's going to be reverse of removal. So we'll get this bottom piece in first. There we go. Pop the radio back in. And the duct piece back in place. Adjust accordingly. And good to go.